Hello everyone. In one of my previous video, I have solved sectional QADI test. If you haven't watched that video, then go to the description below. You will find a link of it. In this particular video, I'll be solving VRC sectional test. For this, I have chosen CET King mock. There's this guy in Telegram who offered me this mock, so I'll be solving from his account. I'll attempt the CET King advanced mock. I'll be just solving the VRC part and I'll submit it. My target score will be 30 marks in 30 minutes. So let's begin the mock. This is incomplete mock, I cannot give it. One more thing. I'll just open Word if I have to write something or not. Fine, I can write it. If I need to write anything, then I'll write here. Most probably in verbal, you don't need to write anything. But sometimes I write in parajumbles to get a proper picture of the flow of idea. Anyway, I'll minimize it. I'll start the mock now. Here we go. Abstract logical quant VRC, last part is VRC. Okay, fine. So I'm starting. This is grammatical error. A whole lot of people are invading my right to privacy by trying to gate crash into my personal life. What we have to do, whether there is a grammatical error in it or not. Okay, fine. First sentence do not has any error. Try so hard as you can. You just can't block it. यहाँ पे can आना चाहिए. And there is no error in the first part. I'll go with second option. In a complex, chaotic world, living a virtuous, upright life is a challenge. Is होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. A government official holding a lucrative post may be practicing honesty for two reasons. Past plural होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. So both has error if there are errors in both sentences. Option 3. What we have to do, we have to find, identify and mark the sentence which may fail to become the part of the coherent. Okay, fine. Odd man out. RBI governor has outlined two steps. I will not read the name. RBI governor ने दो step बनाया. The central bank has an armory of weapons and it will not hesitate to deploy them to mitigate the impact of COVID-19 on the economy. This is talking about central bank, which is RBI. ठीक है, कुछ coherent है. Market rates may incidentally fall as the LTRO, something about LTRO, repo rate hai. I don't understand it. Forex swap and the second long term LTRO match हो रहा है कुछ तो combination है. Maybe possibility C and D साथ में. The focus will be on the next meeting of the health ministry. All the four options are talking about RBI and this is talking about health ministry. Option E. This is also an odd man out. The tirade Mike Pence launched against China last week doubled down on the commitment. This is talking about Mike Pence and China and something like that. It was disorientating to witness so many celebrities at the official fundraiser event. पहला वाला sentence China and USA का इंटरनेशनल रिलेशनशिप के बारे में बोला। सेकंड इज टॉकिंग अबाउट सम सेलिब्रिटी ऑफिशियल फंड रेसर। इन दोनों में से एक आंसर होने वाला फॉर श्योर। ये दोनों डिफरेंट आइडियाज है। Where its predecessors lauded the merits of cooperation with emerging power, emerging superpower. Emerging superpower मतलब चाइना। It's an emerging superpower. Mr. Trump, Mr. Trump मतलब something about इंटरनेशनल रिलेशनशिप बात कर रहा है। ए एंड सी में कुछ तो कोहेरेंस है, एम बी ऑड मैन हो रहा है। आई डोंट हैव टू रीड द डी एन ई पार्ट। दिस इज starters connectors all right. India has aimed to be a digital economic powerhouse by embracing emerging technologies. The country is employing technologies to harness economic activity and has embraced this sense of misgiving. Aiming to be a digital economy powerhouse by embracing emerging technologies, India has employed technologies to harness. One makes sense. While India has aimed to be a digital economic powerhouse, while is a contradicting transition word, and these two sentences have same idea. So while satisfy nahi karega, unless the country, unless it's going somewhere negative, both the sentences are positive. So I'll go with option C, only one. The G7 have pledged the use of all appropriate policies. ठीक है, बकवास करें. Until the members now seem to be caught between a rock and a hard place. Okay, until the members to grammatically गलत बदला. After the G7 members have pledged the use of all appropriate policy tools, so and so forth, comma, the members now seem to be caught between a rock and a hard place. Makes sense. Having pledged the use of, ठीक है, having pledged the use of all appropriate policy tools to tackle the virus menace, comma, the G7 members, हाँ, makes sense. Both 2 and 3. This is which of the following inference वाला है. This is the inference. We have to see which one satisfies. The PCI must act in the interest of a free media and not code to, what does it mean? And not code to the government. क्या मतलब क्या है? मेरे को बस इतना समझा. PCI must act in the interest of free media. ठीक है. The PCI support of government restriction on communication last week was brazenly contrary to its mandate and purpose. It has sought to intervene in a petition by Kashmir Times, pending before the apex court, seeking an end to the restriction on communication in Jammu and Kashmir that were imposed before the government decision on. नहीं समझ रहा ये वाला. नहीं समझ. I will leave it. See it later. The rupee is falling, but it is too early to start worrying. In fact, the fall will make India's exporters competitive. This doesn't make sense. Rupee fall हो रहा है. There is nothing to worry about. यहाँ पे कुछ दिया नहीं है. Nothing to worry about. The fall in the rupees is of course influenced to some extent by the economic slowdown. ठीक है. But the fall is no cause for alarm. Makes sense. Rupee fall हो रहा है. There is no reason to alarm. Only 2 satisfy करेगा. 2, हाँ 2 satisfy करेगा ऑप्शन में से. 3 पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is one option. There is no option such as 2 and 3. What will come in place of C? Direct C में जाता हूँ. Yet many now hold the present communist regime in Russia and her satellite countries is no longer a proletarian movement based on Marxist theory, but a dash imperialistic effort to dominate. But a dash imperialistic, but a wiser, vague, revoked नहीं होगा. कैमोफ्लैज मतलब जो कमेलियन यूज करते हैं, कैमोफ्लैज करते हैं अपने बॉडी को छुपाने के लिए. बट ए कैमोफ्लैज imperialistic effort. This makes sense. What will come in place of B? B क्या है? Okay. It was his belief that the aggression of the capitalistic class would eventually destroy the middle class. Dash of income, middle class, by taking away all the resources of income, and take away by taking away all the option A. एक सेकंड, by taking away all their THEIR and take away all their resources of income and take away all their resources of expenditure. THERE ये गलत है, A and D गलत है. एक्सपेंडिचर कैसे टेक अवे होगा, इनकम टेक अवे होता है. According to author, the present communist regime in Russia can be described as present communist regime. कहाँ पे पैसेज में? Yet many now hold the present communist regime in Russia is no longer a proletarian based on Marxist theory but a imperialistic effort. It is an imperialistic, option C. But a imperialistic, ये यहाँ पे transition word है, so this is important thing. Marx social philosophy is now generally accepted by, यहाँ पे है मार्क्स के बारे में यही पे दिया है. Marx philosophy is now generally accepted by left wing labor movements. Left wing labor movements, oh, this is what, अच्छा यहाँ पे चेंज ये वाला. On the theoretical side, on the surplus side, on the doctrine side, on the chief side, theoretical side ठीक है. Marx set up the surplus of doctrine, the doctrine of surplus value as the chief element. The doctrine of surplus value makes sense. 2 and 3. The primary purpose of the passage. So this is a new passage. Fine, I'll read it. In Rome, defeated enemies were generally put to death as criminals for having offended the emperor. In the Middle Ages, however, the practice of ransoming or returning prisoners in exchange of money became common. Though some saw this custom as a step towards a more human society, the primary reason behind it was economic rather than humanitarian. In those times, rulers had only a limited ability to raise taxes. They could neither force their subject to fight or pay them to do so. ठीक है. First paragraph is talking about criminal को return करना in return of money. The promise of material compensation in the form of goods and ransom was therefore the only way of inducing combatants to participate in a war. In the Middle Ages, the predominant incentive for the individual social to participate in a war was the expectation of spoils. Although collecting ransom clearly brought financial gain, होता है, keeping a prisoner and arranging for his exchange had its cost. ठीक है, prisoner को रखने के लिए भी cost लगता है. हाँ, कसाब को रखा था हमने, cost लगा था उसका खाना पीना खर्चा. All right, makes sense. Consequently, several procedures were devised to reduce transaction cost. One such, अच्छा यहाँ पे first paragraph is talking about we are capturing these prisoners and exchanging them with money. दिया हुआ money, ransom कुछ था word, ransom collecting, and there is cost to keep these prisoners. One such device was a rule asserting that the prisoners had to assess his own value. ठीक है. This compelled, read करने में time waste हो रहा है मेरा. I generally read in my mind. This compelled the prisoner to establish a value without much distortion, indicating low value would increase the captive's chances of being killed. ठीक है. While indicating too high of value ruin करता financial. ठीक है, makes sense. Next para. Second method बता रहा है. Reducing cost was the practice of releasing a prisoner on the word of honor. This procedure was advantageous to both the parties since the captive was released at the expense of keeping the prisoners with the captive had freedom of movement. The captive also benefited financially by having his captive raise ransom himself. अच्छा, खुद से पैसा मतलब खुद का पैसा खुद कमा रहा था कैप्टर. हाँ, जेल में काम कम करते हैं. This parole was viable practice since the released prisoners risked the capture. Moreover, makes यहाँ पे इतना पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं. Makes sense. Idea मिल गया मेरे को. Two types of institutions emerged: professional dealers who acted as brokers and members of religious orders who acted as neutral intermediaries. Dealers advanced money for the ransom and charged interest on the loan. Two of the religious orders, it is just talking about prisoners and financial कैसा profit होता है. Discuss about the economic basis of the medieval practice of exchanging prisoners for ransom. Economic basis, yes, makes sense शायद से. Examine the history नहीं है, treatment of war नहीं है, emphasize the importance of warrior, वर्ड ऑफ ऑनर, ये तो बस इसी सेंटेंस में इसी पैराग्राफ में बोला. एक्सप्लेनिंग 3 ways of reducing cost, there is only 2 ways. I'll go with option A. It can be inferred from the passage that a medieval soldier मतलब हाँ ठीक है, was likely to was less likely to kill captured members of opposing armies than was a soldier. ये बकवास कर रहा है. Was similar to a 20th century terrorist in which he operated on a basically independent level and was motivated solely by economic incentives. Perfect, makes sense. पैसा देके एक्सचेंज कर रहा है, इकोनॉमिक इंसेंटिव्स. ठीक है, यहाँ पे बोला इंडिपेंडेंट काम करने के लिए बोलता है. दिस इज गिवन इन दिस पैरा. हैड फ्यू इकोनॉमिक ऑप्शन, देयर इज, यहाँ पे ये गलत है, फ्यू नहीं है. Was motivated to spare business, बकवास कर रहा है. Which of the following best describes the change in policy from executing prisoners in Roman times? Change in policy from executing, पैसा मिलेगा इसलिए चेंज किया था वो लोग ने. The emperor demanded more respect than the medieval. Respect की बात नहीं है, पैसों की बात है. It was a reflection of a greater, पैसों की बात है, यहाँ पे नहीं होगा. It became a show of strength, नहीं. Humanitarian, नहीं. None of this. And the author uses the word without much distortion. कहाँ पे, यहाँ पे. In order to, one such device was a rule asserting that the prisoner had to assess his own value. This compelled the prisoners to establish a value without much distortion. मतलब खुद से खुद का वैल्यू निकालो. To indicate that the prisoner would fairly assess their worth, perfect, so that the prisoner can find their worth equitably. ठीक है, A and B make sense. I'll go with option this thing. C पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं because I got the answer. 168 ये क्या है? अच्छा, while को कनेक्ट करना है. The daily wager was caught red-handed while, यहाँ पे अकेला खुद में while दे दिया. A तो बिल्कुल नहीं आने वाला. These two option eliminated. B and C and C and D में से दिखते हैं. Our persistent tendency is in our key studies to mainstream Ayush medicine has been to regard the problems. क्या बोल रहा है? I'll skip it. We have to match meaning. I know the meaning of cunning. Cunning is deceit, हमें मिला. B and H यहाँ पे ये ऑप्शन में. A and G क्या है? Candid. I don't know the meaning of candid. Agony, I know the meaning of agony is something extremely, कौन सा ये? हाँ, extreme physical or mental suffering is agony. B and H is correct. C, G and C में से कैंसर आना चाहिए. C, G is pleasure. C is pleasure. G is making an unpleasant. G doesn't make sense. Pleasure is a feeling happy, ठीक है. C, E and B, H. Despite is a contradictory transition word. Manifest founder and CEO Alex Myers said influencer marketing works best when talent becomes a genuine advocate of a brand. ठीक है, Myers ने कुछ बोला. There have been changes wrought in the business landscape over the past 150 years. Changes what? I'll not do this also. पढ़ना पड़ता बहुत. This is what? अच्छा, odd man out है, out of context. The government was a major contributor to investment in seed research in India for close to 3 decades after independence. This is talking about seed research in India. ठीक है. There was no IP law for seed industry till the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers Right Act. This is talking about Plant Varieties and Farmer Right Act. Farmer के बारे में बोला, यहाँ पे seed के बारे में बोला. Policy reforms like the new policy on seed development and new industrial policy and advances made in technology and science. This is science and technology बता रहा है. Seed research. A and C make sense. B नहीं हो रहा. B farmers के बारे में बोल रहा है. I'll go with option D. यहाँ पे क्या करना? Which of the following will complete the sentence D? For many decades, the Indian policy framework dashed the interaction of science and innovation. Dash the interaction मतलब यहाँ पे past continuous tense आने वाला है. Facilitated आने. I tried this by using grammar. क्या हो गया भैया, क्या हो गया इसको? Okay. What is this? Missing sentence C में क्या आने वाला है? I hate this type of question. Para completion. Spill the beans मतलब दूसरों का सीक्रेट बताना. To tell people about someone's secrets. AG, AG, DF and CH. No strings attached. CH. Not void for frivolous thing. गलत है ये. No strings attached मतलब पैसा लेन देन नहीं होता. To feel blue is to feel sad. DF. AGDF. The wildfire, we have to find what? ये चार पांच वर्ड में से यहाँ पे क्या फिट करेगा? The wildfire possesses no dash threat, no ultimate threat, no big threat, immediate threat, strong threat. Make sense. The effect of the new policy will be unknown for the ultimate future, immediate future. Big future नहीं होगा, immediate होगा. Keep your chin up मतलब to interfere someone नहीं, look happy नहीं, getting extra than expectation नहीं, to encourage someone in bad times this makes sense. AH ऑप्शन में क्या कौन से है? इन दोनों में से ऑप्शन है. मोर देन 2 भी सही हो सकता है. BG आइसिंग ऑन द केक मतलब सोने पे सुहागा, गेटिंग एक्स्ट्रा देन एक्सपेक्टेशन. BAG AHBG. DE होता क्या? To kick the bucket, to interfere someone. Kick the bucket to interfere someone. I'm confused now. I know AG correct है, sorry AG नहीं, AH correct है and BG correct है. Option 1 and this thing. I'll go with A. तुक्का मार दो एक. Grammatically correct. ठीक है. Water and food scarcity during the drought period not only accentuate household suffering but also distort into household conflicts. ठीक है. Drought period leads to क्या बोला यहाँ पे? Water food scarcity. वाटर एंड फूड स्कैसिटी की वजह से हाउस होल्ड सफरिंग होता है. मतलब दिस इज द कॉज, दिस इज द इफेक्ट. ड्राउट पीरियड्स लीड टू, ड्राउट पीरियड डजंट लीड टू, वाटर एंड फूड स्कैसिटी लीड टू. वन गलत है. एक्सेंचुएशन ऑफ हाउस होल्ड सफरिंग इज कॉज्ड बाय वाटर एंड फूड स्कैसिटी एंड ने बकवास कर रही है. डिस्टॉर्टिंग इंटर हाउस होल्ड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्या है? ड्राउट पीरियड लीड टू वाटर. हाँ, ड्राउट पीरियड से वाटर एंड फूड स्कैसिटी होता है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच डिस्टॉर्ट होता है. परफेक्ट. ऑप्शन 3. Over the last same question है. Over the last 50 years, groundwater has emerged as the backbone of irrigated agriculture in India. पिछले 50 साल में. After 50 years, after 50 years नहीं है, पिछले 50 साल में, मतलब total 50 years में. One is incorrect. Option A, C, D gone. क्या 2 and 3 है? Groundwater has become the soul नहीं है. This is extreme condition. Soul, none of them. Water scarcity is expected to grow in the future, exacerbate worsened by climatic condition in precipitation patterns and increase in temperature. Water scarcity बढ़ेगा फ्यूचर में, जिसकी वजह से जो exacerbate जो कि खराब हो जाएगा ड्यू टू क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन से एंड इंक्रीजिंग प्रेशर. ठीक है. कंपाउंडेड बाय क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन चेंजेस इन रेनफॉल. वन मेक सेंस. 180 वन मेक सेंस. Climatic changes like precipitation pattern and temperature increase are expected to grow in the future. Water scarcity is expected to grow, not a climatic change. Climatic change को खराब करता है, worsen करता है, exacerbate. It would be an exaggeration. Exaggeration नहीं है. Only one is correct. Jawaharlal Nehru University decided to partially roll back the dash in hostel fees. रोल बैक द हाइक इन हॉस्टल फीस, हाइक मतलब इंक्रीज, लैक ऑफ ये क्या करना है, फेस कनेक्टर से, लैक ऑफ डिमांड एंड मेजर सप्लाई साइड bottlenecks are being the primary issues facing the export. It is doubtful whether the present measure will be enough to revive. With the lack of demand and major supply bottlenecks are being the primary issue, comma, it is doubtful. Makes sense. One makes sense. It is doubtful. It is doubtful directly second sentence में क्यों आ रही है? Since it is doubtful, again वापस second sentence में आ रहा है. Only one. पहले डिमांड लैक हुआ उसके वजह से डाउटफुल हो रहा है. So straight away we cannot say doubtful हो रहा. There are no options available to the government to deal with the present crisis. ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट के पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है प्रेजेंट क्राइसिस को डील करने के लिए. The government has been relying almost entirely on providing the fiscal relief in the form of tax cuts. Because of scarcity of options available in front of government, the government has been relying, ठीक है, perfectly makes sense. As there are no option available, to be makes sense. As the government has cut off, this is wrong. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 कौन सा? The philosophy and teaching of Guru Nanak, God uplifted या फिर इक्वल में से होने वाला आंसर, बिकॉज यहाँ पे पास्ट कंटिन्यूस होना चाहिए. uplifted या फिर echoed the corridors of the US Capitol as powerful American lawmakers and eminent Indian Americans celebrated the 558th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak and dash that his principles were more relevant and familiarized and underscored होगा, underscored मतलब highlight. This is what grammatically contextually correct sentence. ठीक है, launched a year ago on 23rd. ठीक है, this is talking about ABPMJ remains one of the most ambitious health scheme ever. ठीक है, A and D makes sense. डायरेक्ट मेरे को आंसर मिल गया, I don't have to check another. In India's 6 largest metro cities, 48% residents were migrants of 2011, comma, continue होने वाला sentence, more than half. D doesn't make sense. Of यहाँ ये भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे सेंटेंस कंटिन्यू होने वाला है, यहाँ पे कैपिटल लेटर में ओ दिया, which means a new sentence है. Metropolitan cities of the south over the past, this doesn't make sense. A नहीं होगा. Option A and option D eliminated. The stories of the cities are often shaped by the migrants that they attract from other parts of the country and the world. In India too, BEBD देखना पड़ेगा. In India too, big cities have acted as large magnets for migrants with more than half. BD makes sense. With more than half. Continue हो रहा है. The City University of New York, it is, and then doesn't make sense. Tang Bao observed that the People's Republic of PRC turned 70 from a long distance and wondered whether he continued. BE. The GDP growth is not just a number for millions of Indians, it creates a hope of putting shoes in children's feet. Makes sense. A and D. यहाँ पे क्या करना है, ग्रामर कौन सा करेक्ट है. I have had an इंटेंस होना चाहिए. ऑप्शन ए वाला गलत है, बी सी में से कैंसिल होना चाहिए. बी तो सही है क्योंकि दोनों ऑप्शन में. आई हैव टू चेक बिटवीन सी एंड डी. फोकसिंग टू मच ऑन द एक्सटर्नल वर्ल्ड, दिस इज करेक्ट, दिस लुक्स करेक्ट. it is time. BC यहाँ पे it is होना चाहिए, apostrophe s. Now setting up Microsoft project manager to work with your company's existing. Now setting up, ठीक है, makes sense. IT infrastructure can be compelled, can be a complicated task. This is also correct. सिस्टम्स A and B मिल गया मेरे को, करेक्ट है. बाकी कोई ऑप्शन नहीं होगा. We are heading into an age in which jobs are. We are heading into an age in which jobs are. सही है ये. Likely to be invented. Likely to be invented. ठीक है. यहाँ तक सही है. And made obsolete faster and faster. This also makes sense. A and B सही है. A and B and A B E. I just have to check E सही है कि नहीं. The best way to learn how to learn is to love to. क्या लिखा है ये? Tongue twister है. The best way to learn how to learn is to love to. क्या लिखा है? बकवास कर रहा है. I don't know this type of question. This is para jumble 193. I will not do this one. Directly कौन सा jump करूँ 197. ये भी para jumble है 198. The goal of AIC JNFU is to promote is to application is to specify is to co-sector specific नहीं हुआ promote सही है and support startup in application in specific in sector subject in specific subject or sectors that have application and impact. 2 and 3. Investor took cushioning, investor took series, investor took solace, investor took blow. Economic blow from the coronavirus, ये सही है. फोर्थ के साथ कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. Investor took solace in a blockbuster series of government and central bank measures aimed at cushioning the economic blow. सही है. 1 and 3. All right. Some CBD members could not understand investment sufficient adequately could not investment could not adequately most of the agenda could not investment most of the could not sufficient understand सही है. Including returns on investment including returns on investment भी सही है. ROI होता है. 3 and 4 ऑप्शन में नहीं है. So none of this. काफी किया मैंने. I'll go with this questions. पैरा जंबल देख लेते हैं. अरे fuck. I mean 8 sentences है. Can I take help of the options? Which of the following will be the penultimate sentence? 2 consecutive sentence. अरे यहाँ पे आंसर दिया. यहाँ पे आंसर दिया. I can do this. हाँ. There is no word. कहाँ पे मेरा word? मिनिमाइज नहीं होता क्या? फोर्थ सेंटेंस में से ये वैसा ऑप्शन होना चाहिए. फोर्थ सेंटेंस AFDGC. AFDGC ये गलत. DGC यहाँ पे ये हो सकता है. AFDGC ये भी गलत. ये ऑप्शन बी ऑप्शन डी में से आंसर होने वाला है. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई हैव सीन दिस क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे किसी में बी नहीं है. एक यहाँ पे ऑड मैन आउट वाला था. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था. कौन सा था? यही था क्या? फेल्स टू बिकम द पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस बी. क्योंकि इसमें एक भी ऑप्शन में बी नहीं है. सो बी इज ऑड मैन आउट. आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग हेल्प ऑफ द ऑप्शंस. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन बी एंड डी में होना चाहिए. सो आई रीड दिस पार्ट. जी से स्टार्ट होगा. द सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट marks an important and possibly far-reaching steps towards reading in the political establishment. ठीक है. The order made it obligatory for all candidates to provide which order? Which order it is talking about? GD में डाउट हो रहा है. GA पढ़ते हैं. As far as the fielding candidates with criminal antecedents is concerned, is judgment. There is some coherence. G and A में से G and A and ये वाला C चाहिए था मेरे को. फोर्थ सेंटेंस में C है. और कोई which of the following two consecutive sentence में आंसर क्या है यहाँ से? GADCFEH. We have to find a penultimate sentence. GADCFE वाला होगा. E is it will be an it would have. I think I've done enough. I'll submit it. कहाँ पे गया वर्बल? हाँ 45 आंसर किया, 5 नॉट आंसर्ड. लेट्स सी. Oh, 41 score. आंसर की किधर रहेगा इधर? क्वेश्चन वाइज. या गॉट इट. लास्ट में था 50s में था 150s. सो आई हैव इनकरेक्टली डन दिस वन. बोथ 2 and 1. मैंने 1 किया. While India has aimed to be a digital economy powerhouse by embracing emerging technology, the country is employing. Doesn't make sense. While is a contradictory sentence, contradictory transition word. दोनों सेंटेंस तो सेम ही बात कर रहा है. इंडिया को डिजिटल इकोनॉमी पावर्स बनाना. आई एम नॉट satisfied with the answer. What is given there? I'm not satisfied with the answer, literally. While this or that, contradictory sentence बनते हैं. I'm watching TV while eating. खाना खा रहा हूँ while eating. दोनों अलग अलग काम कर रहा हूँ मैं. कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी थिंग्स है. यहाँ पे डिजिटल पावर हाउस बनना है while giving employing technologies. दोनों सेम ही तो बात कर रहा है. डिजिटल बात कर रहा है, टेक्नोलॉजी की बात कर रहा है. आई एम नॉट satisfied with the answer. This one. 166. ये कौन सा है? Which of the following best describes the change in policy from executing business in Roman times? पैसों की तो बात कर रहा था ना यहाँ पे. पैसा मिलेंगे इसलिए तो किल नहीं करते थे. इन एक्सचेंज ऑफ मनी बिकम कॉमन. वही तो बात कर रहा है. दो saw this custom as a step towards a more human society. The primary reason behind it was economic rather than human. वही तो बात कर रहा है. इकोनॉमिक की बात कर रहा है, पैसों की बात कर रहा है. In those times, rulers had an only limited ability to raise tax. They could neither force their subject to fight nor pay them to do so. ठीक है. The promise of material compensation in the form of goods and ransom was therefore the only way of inducing combatants to participate in a war. मेरे को नहीं समझ रहा. मैंने रीड कर लिया सेंटेंस. कुछ तो एक्सप्लेनेशन दो. क्या बकवास एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया यहाँ पे. सो 2 आंसर्स इनकरेक्ट सो फार. यहाँ पे 2 है. ग्रामर नाउ सेटिंग. ग्रामर सही है कि नहीं? नाउ सेटिंग अप माइक्रोसॉफ्ट प्रोजेक्ट टू वर्क विथ योर कंपनी. Now setting up Microsoft Project Manager to work with your. Now setting up इतना सही है. Microsoft Project Manager इतना सही है. To work with your company's existing. सही तो है. A part गलत क्यों दिया? A is incorrect because there should be comma after introductory adverbs like now. Now the double begin is correct. है? ये क्या बोल रहा है? खुद बोलता है कॉमा डालो इंट्रोडक्टरी एडवर्ब के बाद. अब खुद यहाँ पे कॉमा नहीं डाला. नाउ द डबल बिगन इज करेक्ट. खुद खुद को गलत साबित करता है ये तो. डैम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अगेन ग्रामर है. The best way to learn how to learn is to love to learn and the best way to love to. क्या लिखा है यार ये बकवास. छी. आई डोंट माइंड. ये गलत हुआ तो. टंग ट्विस्टर, लव टू लर्न टू, क्या क्या लिखा है. सो एनीवे दिस इज माय अटेम्प्ट. कितना टाइम दिया मैंने? 9 परसेंटाइल. टाइम इज वेस्ट टाइम. हाँ, टाइम वाइज पूरा वर्बल का टाइम नहीं मिलता क्या एक साथ? आई वांट एंटायर वर्बल टाइम. कितना लिया मैंने टाइम? ट्वेंटी 1.81%. कितना होता है यार? लेट मी कैलकुलेट इट. 21.81% ऑफ 150. 32 मिनट्स लिया मैंने. हाँ चलेगा. स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हुआ था इंटरफेस को लेकर. सो एनीवे 32 मिनट्स इज डिसेंट एंड आई हैव स्कोर्ड 41 मार्क्स. चलेगा इतना. All right, so I'm done with this VRC mock. Hopefully you have learned something how to attempt the paper, how to attempt the VRC section, not entire paper. So this much I scored 41 marks, I guess. 41 marks, 45 attempts. Generally VRC में 100% accuracy नहीं होता, किसी का भी नहीं होता, I guess. मेरा तो कभी नहीं हुआ. And I used to get around 30 to 33 marks last year. This year I have improved, fortunately. So 30 marks and in 30 minutes is a decent target score for VRC. And we are doing our, and there's an announcement, we are doing our CET course, and I'll be showing some proof of our course that this guy is getting this much marks in test funda mocks. Started with 107, he has reached 136, then reduced, I don't know why, but he's getting a decent score in test funda. I think this is a difficult mock as far as I have heard from people. Getting 120 plus is a good score in test funda. And in ELC, this same guy, Gaurav, got 121 marks. So he's improving gradually. This is a good sign for him also, for us also. And if you're interested to buy our course, then go to the website. The link of it is given in the description below. And thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.